Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're a vlogging enthusiast or just someone looking to capture life's best moments, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the ultimate guide for the best vlogging cameras of 2025. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your journey, we've got you covered with the top picks that will elevate your content and help you stand out from the crowd. From compact powerhouses that fit in your pocket to professional-grade cameras that deliver stunning quality, we'll explore the features you need to consider, the latest innovations, and the models that truly shine in today's ever-evolving landscape. So, be sure to stick around as we unveil our favorites. And don't forget, if you want to check out the cameras we discuss, number 5, Nikon Z30. The Nikon Z30 is an exciting addition to Nikon's mirrorless camera lineup, designed specifically for content creators and vloggers who demand versatility and performance in a compact form factor. With its impressive 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor, the Z30 captures stunningly sharp images and vibrant colors, making it an ideal choice for both photography and videography. One of the standout features of the Nikon Z30 is its ability to shoot 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, providing creators with the capability to produce high-quality content that meets the demands of modern platforms. The camera also includes a fully articulating touchscreen, allowing for easy framing and monitoring of shots, whether you're filming yourself or capturing dynamic scenes from various angles. The Z30 boasts an intuitive user interface that caters to both beginners and experienced photographers. Its built-in creative modes and filters, along with advanced autofocus technology, ensure that users can achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort. Furthermore, with its lightweight and compact design, the Z30 is perfect for on-the-go shooting, whether you're exploring new locations or documenting everyday moments. Battery life is another plus, allowing for extended shooting sessions without the need for constant recharging. Additionally, the camera supports USB-C charging, which adds to its convenience for travelers and content creators alike. With impressive connectivity options including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, sharing your creations is seamless and quick. Number 4. Sony ZV-E10 II. The Sony ZV-E10 II is a powerful and versatile camera that caters specifically to content creators and vloggers. Building on the success of its predecessor, the ZV-E10, this model introduces several enhancements that make it even more user-friendly and capable of producing stunning video and high-quality images. One of the standout features of the ZV-E10 II is its impressive 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, which delivers exceptional image quality and low-light performance, allowing users to capture vibrant and detailed footage regardless of the lighting conditions. This sensor is complemented by an array of advanced autofocus technologies, including real-time eye autofocus and real-time tracking, ensuring that your subjects are always in sharp focus, whether you're filming fast-moving action or capturing candid moments. The camera boasts a fully articulating touchscreen, making it ideal for vlogging and self-recording. This feature allows users to easily frame their shots, adjust settings, and navigate menus, all while keeping an eye on the composition. Additionally, the ZV-E10 II includes a directional microphone with a windscreen, ensuring clear audio quality even in challenging environments. Number 3. Fujifilm X-S20. The Fujifilm X-S20 is a remarkable addition to Fujifilm's acclaimed lineup of mirrorless cameras, designed to cater to both enthusiasts and aspiring professionals. Building on the success of its predecessors, the X-S20 boasts a sleek and compact body that is not only lightweight, but also highly functional, making it an ideal companion for photographers on the go. One of the standout features of the X-S20 is its impressive 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS4 sensor, which delivers stunning image quality with exceptional detail and vibrant colors. This sensor, combined with the powerful X Processor 4, ensures fast autofocus, quick shooting speeds, and excellent performance in low-light conditions. Whether you're capturing fast-moving subjects or shooting in dimly lit environments, the X-S20 rises to the occasion with ease. Video capabilities have also seen significant upgrades in the X-S20. Users can record 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, along with advanced features like F-Log recording for professional-grade post-production workflows. The inclusion of in-body image stabilization helps to reduce camera shake, resulting in smooth and steady footage, perfect for vlogging or dynamic scenes. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix GH7. The Panasonic Lumix GH7 represents a significant leap forward in the world of mirrorless cameras, continuing the legacy of the GH series while introducing a host of cutting-edge features that cater to both photographers and videographers alike. With a focus on versatility and performance, the GH7 boasts an upgraded sensor that enhances image quality and dynamic range, making it ideal for capturing stunning stills in various lighting conditions. One of the standout features of the GH7 is its ability to shoot 4K video at high frame rates, providing content creators with the tools they need to produce cinematic quality footage. The camera's advanced autofocus system ensures that subjects remain sharp and in focus even during fast-paced action scenes. Additionally, the GH7 includes enhanced in-body image stabilization, which minimizes camera shake and enables users to capture smooth, handheld shots without the need for a tripod. The design of the Panasonic Lumix GH7 has also been refined for improved usability. It features a robust, weather-sealed body that can withstand the rigors of outdoor shooting, making it an excellent choice for adventure photographers and filmmakers. The fully articulating touchscreen display allows for creative angles and easy framing of shots, while the electronic viewfinder provides a clear and accurate representation of the scene. Number 1. Sony ZV-E1. The Sony ZV-E1 is a groundbreaking addition to the world of vlogging and content creation, designed specifically with the needs of creators in mind. This compact camera combines advanced features typically found in high-end professional gear with user-friendly controls, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned videographers alike. At the heart of the ZV-E1 is a full-frame sensor that delivers stunning image quality and exceptional low-light performance, enabling creators to capture vibrant, detailed footage even in challenging lighting conditions. With its ability to shoot in 4K resolution at impressive frame rates, the ZV-E1 ensures that every moment is recorded with crystal clarity, whether you're filming a travel vlog, product review, or a lifestyle piece. One of the standout features of the ZV-E1 is its impressive autofocus system. Equipped with fast hybrid AF technology, it provides rapid and accurate focus transitions, ensuring that your subject remains sharp and in focus, even during dynamic shots. This is particularly useful for vloggers who often move around while filming, as the camera can seamlessly track motion and keep the focus locked on the subject. Additionally, the ZV-E1 boasts a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, allowing for easy framing and monitoring of shots from various angles. This is especially beneficial for solo creators who need to ensure they're in the frame. The camera also includes a built-in microphone, along with a windscreen, which significantly enhances audio quality, making it a great choice for those who prioritize sound in their videos.